A beautiful little Christmas tree you can make in just 5 minutes. Start with a tangerine and peel it, but don't throw away the peels. They should be in various shapes and sizes. Place the peeled tangerine on a table and insert half of a skewer stick into it. This will be the tree's structure. Thread the tangerine peels onto the stick one by one, with the orange side facing up. Start with the largest pieces, arranging them all around the base. Gradually add smaller and smaller peels as you go up, shaping it into a tree. Add some character by using cloves to create eyes. Just push the cloves into the tangerine flesh. Once your tree is nearly finished, place a small ornament on the very top of the skewer as the tree topper. To give your tree more personality, use red, edible, or icing markers to draw a cheerful smile on the tangerine. For an extra festive touch, decorate your sweet tree with tiny lights. Wrap them around the tangerine peels arranged in the shape of the tree, and you're done. The lights will brighten up this beautiful and literally sweet Christmas decoration. Kids will love this fun and quick project they can do with you. Your neighbors will want to buy it from you. You can make this festive gnome yourself. I'll show you how easy and fun it is to create this holiday decoration. Start by taking a glass bottle. The size depends on how large you want your gnome to be, as the bottle will serve as the base of your design. Next, prepare some branches. Sprigs of thuja, commonly found in gardens, work best for this project. Trim the branches to match the height of the bottle, and cut a few shorter ones as well. Now, attach the trimmed branches to the bottle using floral wire. Green wire works best, as it blends perfectly with the branch color. Cover the entire surface of the bottle with the branches, ensuring it's fully wrapped. Attach the shorter branches to the top part of the bottle. Then, take some red fabric and place it on top of the arrangement, carefully shaping it into the gnome's hat. Use synthetic wadding to create the gnome's beard and tuck it into the red fabric. Next, take a red ornament and hot glue it to the beard to serve as the gnome's signature nose. For added charm, decorate the hat with embellishments of your choice. Finally, spray the entire creation with artificial snow for a wintry touch. This gnome is ready and looks fantastic as a festive decoration both indoors and outdoors.
A simple trick to create a festive fireplace. Kids love it, and it will neatly complement your living room when made this way. Prepare 5 cardboard boxes. 2 boxes should be of the same size, serving as the sides of the fireplace. Use a flat cardboard as the base. Place 2 identical boxes on it. Insert a small box between them to serve as the firebox. Place another flat cardboard on top. This will be the fireplace mantle. Securely glue the cardboard pieces together using adhesive tape. All parts should be connected. Cover the fireplace with wallpaper. Cut each side from the wallpaper. I bought mine at a hardware store, opting for a self-adhesive white brick imitation on paper. Attach the first side of the fireplace. Smooth the veneer with your hand. Then, attach it to the front of the firebox, the base, and the sides. The wallpaper with a 3-dimensional texture will effectively hide unevenness and mistakes. Use marble-patterned foil to cover the top part of the fireplace. Measure a piece of the appropriate size and stick it on. Trim the corners with scissors so that they can be folded flat. Then, attach a longitudinal piece to the front of the base. Line the firebox with black paper. Prepare a piece of cardboard with black construction paper and place it behind the Christmas tree. This will create the impression that the fireplace has a firebox and chimney. Take several sticks and tie them together with a rubber band or string to create a stack. Place it inside the fireplace. Next, prepare battery-powered LED candles. I chose 2 yellow ones and 1 red. Place them under the stack on the firebox. Finally, decorate the fireplace with Christmas ornaments. Hang a stocking for presents. This kind of fireplace looks beautiful, and kids love playing around it. It brings a festive atmosphere to your home at a minimal cost. What do you think? Would you place such a fireplace in your living room for Christmas?
A beautiful decoration with a vase and submerged silver baubles. It takes your breath away. And preparing it is an extraordinary adventure with a magical end result. To create the decoration, use various silver baubles, but first, fill them with water. If you don't do this, you won't achieve the expected result. Styrofoam baubles won't work either because they will float on the surface. Pour a few hydrogel beads onto the bottom of the vase. Remember that you need to prepare them in advance. They should be in the water for about 8 hours to reach the desired size. Place silver baubles on top of them. Gradually add more beads and arrange additional baubles in different places. You can also use openwork baubles. They will look beautiful in the vase. Gradually pour in the water when the vase is almost full. Your eyes will see the ornaments you placed in it one after another. When you see the whole effect, you can always make some adjustments. You can freely move the decorations in the hydrogel. Finally, place 3 floating candles on the surface of the beads, and you're done. Such a decoration will delight all guests. It looks beautiful. Use golden baubles. Arrange the first bauble on the layer of beads and add another layer of beads. Gradually place additional baubles in different locations. It's good if they come in different sizes. When the vase is full, start pouring water into it slowly. Now the magic begins. Baubles that were not visible just moments ago between the beads will start to appear. Such a vase will be an incredibly beautiful decoration for any festive table. The submerged baubles in the water create an amazing effect that is impossible to look away from. You can make such a beautiful vase with submerged flowers yourself. This decoration looks like something from the top shelf. To create it, you'll need hydrogel beads and artificial poinsettia flowers, also known as Christmas stars. You can also use artificial holly and red pine cones or dried flowers in shades of red. Pour hydrogel beads onto the bottom of the vase. Arrange the first flower in them and add more beads. When there are more beads, place additional ornaments, artificial holly, and dried flowers in them. Continuously add beads, gradually. Submerge another poinsettia flower in them. When the vase is almost full, start pouring water in slowly. The full beauty of your creation will be revealed before your eyes. Place 3 floating candles on top, and you're done. A beautiful decoration is finished, an ornament that will enchant every child, big and small. To achieve the best effect, use various decorations: a plastic house, Christmas trees, and figures. Place the house, Christmas trees, and children figures at the bottom of the container. Gently cover them with hydrogel beads. Once you've covered them, arrange a layer of beads with Santa Claus and reindeer. Add another layer of beads. Finally, take a pitcher of water and slowly start pouring it into the vase. An extraordinary picture will begin to emerge before your eyes. Gradually, all the details will come into view. First, the house. Children and Christmas trees will appear. As you pour the water, suddenly Santa Claus on his sleigh will appear, suspended as if in the air above the house. It's almost hard to believe that the trick with hydrogel beads allows you to create such a beautiful, magical scene.